Maintaining a legacy website with SSI files scattered through the codebase. These small fragments power dynamic content insertion on classic web servers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to edit, test, and serve these server-side include files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading SSI file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A user, typically a web developer, interacts with SSI files to manage reusable web page components like headers or footers. Their intent is not to open it for viewing, but to edit its content and have a web server process its directives to dynamically assemble a final HTML page for a visitor. An SSI file is an HTML file containing special comment-like directives, e.g., see? It is designed as plain text so web servers can easily parse it. The server scans for these directives and replaces them with other content before sending the final page to the user's browser. Your first application to test with SSI should be Apache HTTP Server from Apache Software Foundation. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows provides simple ways to open them, but full behavior appears in a browser. We need to test for compatibility. Right-click your SSI file and choose Open With. If you have Apache HTTP Server, launch with that first. Otherwise, try a different program. Sometimes the best fit isn't obvious. If the SSI file won't budge, stay calm. We're facing a complicated SSI error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, editing in Code Editor. Open SSI files in Visual Studio Code Sublime Text or Notepad+, which provide HTML syntax highlighting. Configure file associations to recognize the SSI extension as HTML for full editor support. Edit the directives carefully, maintaining correct syntax since malformed SSI tags either fail silently or display as visible HTML comments. Next, testing locally. Install Apache HTTP Server or use XAMPP and enable the mod include module to test SSI processing locally. Configure the options directive with includes and add SSI handler mapping in your http.conf or .htaccess file. Place SSI files in the web root and access them through localhost to verify directive expansion works correctly. Finally, modernizing includes. For long-term maintenance, migrate SSI patterns to modern templating systems. Replace SSI includes with PHP includes server-side rendering frameworks like Next.js or static site generators like Jekyll and Hugo. These provide more powerful templating with version control-friendly workflows compared to legacy SSI directives. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.